Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, it's going to be a hair video, and if you are new to my channel, I do a hair series, and throughout this hair series I'm normally styling clip-ins or talking you through how I blow up my hair, flat iron my hair, all of that. Today's video, I have received some clip-ins by the brand CurlsQueen, and I have worked with them before, and this video is sponsored by CurlsQueen. They're literally the only clip-ins that I use in my hair. I think the quality is amazing and they've never let me down. Before we jump into the video talking about the actual hair, I wanted to give you guys an update on my hair so that we get those questions out of the way. My hair is not processed, it's not permed. I dyed my hair black a little over a year ago, and this is just like box dye, so nothing really too crazy going on with my hair right now. The last trim that I had was in January. That's basically where my hair is. So I got from CurlsQueen the 18 inches clip-in Coarse Yaki Texture. It is 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin human hair. It is true to length, it is thick. Also stay tuned for the end of this video for a discount code on CurlsQueen website. So now let's talk about the packaging, unbox the hair. They have done some upgrading since the last time I've worked with them. I didn't used to get a box. It has a magnetic opening. Look at that cute packaging. First things first, this is really nice. Here is the brush. Here is a satin cap. I actually love these. I have two of them already from CurlsQueen, and this I wear towards the end of my week. So when I'm edging closer to wash day, I just put this on over my hair, and this is how I sleep with my hair. So I wrap it, put this on, and then go to bed. And then those extra clips. The hair comes in this really nice pink duffel bag. There is a cute thank you note, and in CurlsQueen fashion, they always send you information on the hair, so you kind of know what you've ordered and you just have it on hand. This is the hair. Let's brush it. Let's just do a side-by-side comparison to my hair. I am going to, of course, make this as easy as possible for you guys because I do not like effort when it comes to my hair. Normally, how I like to put the clip-ins in is, obviously my hair is out, it's in my desired part. I like to just take my fingers and just part the back of my head just with my fingers and just get a nice amount of hair. I'm gonna clip the top part up. I have about this much hair out. I would normally put the 4 clips at the bottom, but just because it's such a small space, I'm gonna switch it today. I'm gonna try using the 3 clips at the very bottom, and then at the top, I'm gonna use the 4 clips. So up here, 4, at the bottom, 3. And there's no method to the madness. I just pop it in and clip it. So there we have the back piece installed. I'm gonna keep doing that all the way up. As information to help you also install the hair, I personally, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I personally don't like to put all of the hair in my head because then it becomes really difficult to hide the clip-ins. So my recommendation is not to use the whole thing, but to just use enough, obviously, to fit your head. Don't overdo it because if your hair is super, super thin, you're naturally gonna see the clip-ins. Now going to kind of like the center of my head, I'm gonna start by a little bit before my ears, part that with my hands, and this is where I would now use the 4 clip because then the area where I've parted is now a little bit wider so that the clips can attach on a little bit further. Now I'm going to do the side bits of my head just so that we have some blending going on and we don't see that instant cut. For these side bits, I'm going to be using the 2 clips. And now, just to make sure that I feel comfortable with how many clip-ins I have in, I'm just going to release the rest of my hair and make sure everything is covering. And so there we have it. I personally do not leave my hair out straight, but you definitely can. For me to call this a complete look, I would definitely blend these short bits out with the long hair. Let me just give you guys a back view. So now I'm gonna try to transition and to curl the hair, because that's normally how I would wear my hair, and I think it would blend a lot better. While my flat iron is heating up, I just want to quickly mention how I'm going to curl my hair. I do not use wands or anything like that. I do have them, but I prefer to curl my hair with a flat iron. I don't know, I just get the desired results that I want. I get these like large kind of barrel curls. I don't know, I'm just more acquainted with flat iron curling than with a wand. So that is the reason why I'm going to be curling my hair with a flat iron. I'm going to start with the front first. This is normally how I curl my hair, and if you guys want to see how I curl my hair in detail, I will link a card for you at the top of the screen, and there you can see how I actually curl my hair. So I love these curls because when I brush them out, they are the best waves ever. So do you guys see the difference? This is why I do not wear my hair straight if I have clip-ins. Like the volume, I feel like a different person, and it just blends better. Like it just looks all around better. So I am not going to leave my hair like this. I'm gonna use the brush that CurlsQueen gave me. This brush is actually really good for brushing out curls and not ruining it and making it super frizzy. So I really like the bristles on this, because I want big waves. So this is how that is looking. I love that. Like this is the look, not this. Although this is beautiful, let's brush out the other side. And this is normally how I would wear my hair without clip-ins, so I love this look. From this angle, it doesn't look like I have any clip-ins, and then wham. I love that. That is beautiful. That is stunning. That's giving volume. Everything is meshing together. My hair, the clip-ins, you could not tell the difference. So that is the finished look. This is giving something. Like, I love this. Okay, so normally I do not wear my hair parted to the side, but let's try it. I'm trying to be different. Let's just do it kind of like this, so you can see the clip in here. So let me just fix this. And I'm just gonna do it like finger tossed. I don't want it to be too artificial with a comb. Let me just go like this. Let me fix this part. Let's bring that back over. I think that's how I would wear that. That was an easy transition from straight to side part. This is as deep as I will ever go for a side part. Side parts really do change the look, so I feel like I look different. A middle part, it gives me this like everyday thing, and the side part, it's like she's trying to be cute, and I like it. Now let's try this hair in a ponytail. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair in the front like this. And then I'm gonna place this in this direction. There we go. That is also moving backwards. I cannot find my brush, so we're gonna do this with the hands. And there we have our little retro ponytail. It's kind of a vibe. I like it, especially with this outfit. I feel like it fits. I just need some sunnies and we can call it a day. So guys, I am loving today's looks. Please let me know in the comment section what you think of all of the hairstyles and the hair itself. I'm going to be leaving a code on the screen so you can get some percentage off at CurlsQueen and get yourself the exact same hair if you'd like. I will also be leaving that in my description box if you wanted to just copy and paste. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out all of my other hair videos. I do have a playlist on my channel. Just click that link, click that button, check it out. And if you have any other comments, please leave them below. I hope you guys are staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I will see you in another video.